What if the moon is not what we think? It lights our skies, controls our tides, inspires our stories. But the deeper we look at the moon, the stranger it becomes. Its size, its orbit, its perfect alignment with Earth and the Sun. Some scientists call it a cosmic coincidence. Others say it might not be a coincidence at all. Let's take a journey through science, mystery, and ancient knowledge. Because the moon may not be what it appears to be. The moon is 400 times smaller than the sun and 400 times closer. That's why it perfectly covers the sun during a total solar eclipse. A mathematical exactness that allows for one of the most breathtaking phenomena in the universe. But here's the problem. This kind of precision is unheard of in planetary systems. No other moon in our solar system behaves like this. Its size, distance, and behavior are so specific, it almost feels like it was placed there. By what? Or by whom? Let's talk about the science. The moon's composition doesn't quite match Earth's mantle, even though the mainstream theory suggests it was formed from a piece of Earth blasted away. Some samples from Apollo missions even contain isotopes that do not match Earth at all. And when NASA deliberately crashed a spacecraft into the moon, it rang like a bell for almost an hour. Seismic instruments recorded long, echo-like reverberations. A hollow object? Not necessarily, but not normal either. Why would a natural object react like that? Now here's where things get even stranger. Some of the oldest cultures on Earth have stories of a time before the moon existed. The ancient Zulu in Africa told tales of a time when the Earth had no moon, and how it was dragged into place by two ancient sky beings. Greek philosopher Democritus referenced pre-lunar peoples. And in South American myths, the moon was brought here after the sun. Is it all myth? Or a distant echo of something humanity has long forgotten? Now, the most controversial theory, what if the moon is not natural at all? What if it's a structure, a shell, a station, a massive machine disguised as a celestial object? Some fringe researchers believe the moon is a megastructure, possibly hollow with internal machinery or control systems. Russian scientists in the 1970s even published a theory suggesting the moon was intelligently designed. Too precise, too perfect, too engineered. And the craters, too shallow for how wide they are, as if something underneath is protecting it. Let's go darker. Some believe the moon isn't just artificial, it's a watcher, a cosmic eye placed here to observe Earth, to monitor our evolution, our wars, our progress. Could it be transmitting data? Could it be listening? We've only explored a fraction of its surface. And the far side? We call it the dark side, even though it gets sunlight, because we never see it. What is back there? And why did NASA stop going? Here's what makes it all even scarier. We stopped questioning the moon a long time ago. We just accept it. We assume it's natural, even though it defies so many rules of planetary formation. Maybe, that's the point. To blend in, to be familiar, to be above us, always, while never being noticed. What kind of intelligence would design that? So, what's the moon? A natural satellite? A strange cosmic fluke? Or an ancient silent machine watching us from above? We may never know, but the more we study it, the more it feels like we're looking at something that was never meant to be discovered. Tell me what you believe. And sir, subscribe to keep questioning what hides in plain sight. Because sometimes, the scariest truths are the ones closest to home.